Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon. Today we are looking at the Salon World Safety Mask. Let's get it in the clamp and talk more about this mask. Now, we've had their KN95. How did that do? Seems like a good mask. Let's look at the screen. 91.144. So I'm guessing they made the disposable at first. Their KN95 failed standards. We could put a link to that. 91%. That's not very good. Now, if you read their listing carefully, they talk about how they're an American seller and their supply is inside the United States, but they are not American masks, I don't think, but they're not really upfront about that. And it's very interesting that they're like pushing, this is for people who are in the salon industry. I like that. And I like this, this worn all over the world in the most common workspace environments. This one girl is like, inside or outside? Pair with our face shield. It's like the model. 46-year-old trusted USA seller, 5 million masks in stock. Not talking about standards, not talking about levels of protection. If I look on the box, I like the box. It's not a soft touch though. Let's try this mask on. This mask smells like Hairdresser University. Yeah, there's like a little bit, it's like definitely a clean smell. And people are learning. Pretty good mask overall. But the question is, does it protect you? Does Salon World Safety really protect people in the salon industry? Their KN95 was supposed to meet 95% and was 91. This mask is supposed to be at 95%, again, using this test, and it is 82.5. Ooh. I love the marketing. I love the audience that they're going for. I really think the people in the salon industry are underserved, and we don't talk about them enough in the world of coronavirus. But there are better masks for those people that will protect them better. What's the breathability? 83 breathability. That's pretty good. But 82.52, that's not a very good score. I would not use that mask. There are better masks out there. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Hope it was entertaining or educational, or I don't know. Tell me why you're here. I'd love to know in the comments below. And I will catch you on the next test, which is tomorrow, 10 a.m. every day for the rest of the year. I'll see you then.